Copper, did you do a bad thing? Can we be in bed? Did you do bad things? Did you eat a duckling? Copper, what'd you do to the ducks? Are you very sorry about what you did? Are you very sorry about what you did? Did you eat a duckling? Tell me about it. Tell me how sorry. Are you so sorry? Are you just really very sorry, Copper? What happened to the ducks? Copper. Whoa. After 2 years, it only took you 25 minutes.
And $800 and Brian's yours.
Wow, we're riding high now. Check it out.
And then there's even a flap.
This bad boy caught the wind about 2 years ago, real bad on this arm.
Pigeon Forge. Remember
Pigeon
it like
Forge.
it was a year and a half ago, because it was.
It was 2 years ago, a little more.
No, it was not this last Pigeon Forge, but the one before.
I think it was 2 pigeons ago.
No.
Tom knows. Oh, we gonna add some more states here soon. It's not gonna look very impressive because they're all little states. Right there in the corner.
How we looking?
Cleaning up the greenhouse.
Slippery.
We got Uncle Brian's helping us. Oh no!
Way to go. Unspringing and qualifying. Oh, man. Hayden,
Yes.
I did ask you to get these out of the way. I meant like out of the way.
My bad. Cleaning up Copper's hole.
You're almost breaking my ankle in it.
Making progress. We're gonna leave the towers. We got rid of the top part here that had the bristles in it. We'll put that back and plant it with something new. It's not a morning glory moment. Look at the flowers on it.
Grows these fruit, but they get huge.
They're like passion fruit. No, not passion
Check that out. I'm telling you, that apple work.
Wow.
It's a good idea. Figuring out what plant this is. What is it?
Maypop.
Passion flowers. What app are you using?
Picture this.
Shout out to Picture This. If it'll focus. There we go. Picture this. Hey, we did it.
You guys eat a lot of corn?
I'm not raining a while, I think.
Oh man, I'm feeling that 76 degrees today.
What's Gage doing? Wow.
Sis, put that down for a second.
Okay.
Can I put that one behind your arm? Or do you, let's keep the peppers together. Let's do this. Go ahead. Nope. They don't stack. Yep, they alternate.
That's what I was doing.
They're squared up over here.
Are they? Oh, is this the diff? This is different kind. Is that the same or different?
Yeah, it's the same.
Okay. Well,
What are the chances of us transplanting the pepper down below? They're lined up too well under here.
there we go. Thank you.
Do you see what I'm saying?
This thing's just a mess anyway.
Because we need the pepper, the attachment or whatever.
Oh. How you doing, Bubba?
Good. Stinky dirt.
Very stinky dirt.
It's premium organic garden mix, okay? And we all know organic can be a little stinky. Your mama's organic.
But we're basically taking apart the greenhouse right now.
I'd do a swoop around. It's taken apart.
Like there used to be a bunch of stuff that used to be like potatoes, that used to be like tomatoes. That was already there. That table was there. But there's stuff over there. And this.
Hold on. Yeah, gotta go for it. Dump it up. Okay.
This.
Now get another bag.
All of our potatoes we picked. And yeah.
They're preparing their bunks for a conference. Copper's going to conference too. So far, they're just making a giant mess. Hey, are you guys preparing?